Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb video. Y'all, it is 8:05 in the morning. I'm about to drive to Atlanta to have a lunch with my godmom. But y'all, I just wanted to give y'all an update on this wig. A lot of y'all say that I don't give updates of how the wig is. I just changed my hair so much, y'all, so you know. But I decided to dye this black kinky curly wig that I got from Virgo Hair. This is that same wig. It is just it has product on it, but girl, look at these curls. I put 30 developer and some bleach on this unit and put like a brown color on it. But y'all, look how juicy these curls is, y'all. A lot of y'all be asking me like, do the hair dye, do it this, do it that. I can honestly say this hair is a beautiful hair. This hair was like how my roots is. It was very dark, y'all. Like, it was black. This hair was like a jet black or a dark black, and it lifted like that, y'all. So I can say this hair is some good hair. This is a frontal lace wig, and y'all, I will insert a picture of what the wig looked like before, and I put my old video down of how the hair was. It was really big when I wore it the first time or whatever. Listen to my cat teeing something up early this morning. Be offense, somebody be offense. But anyway, y'all, this hair lifted so quickly, and I just slapped it back on my head. Like, girl, this hair, oh my god, y'all, it is so pretty, and the curls are so juicy. The only thing I did was wet the hair, and I did put some oil on it because I know that when you dye hair, it will dry out. But y'all, as you can see, these curls are popping. This was the wig that I said was so close to my natural curl pattern, y'all. Excuse my lips, I just got done doing my makeup, and I'm gonna put like a nude right here, girl, and it's gonna be popping. But y'all, this hair, I'm trying to figure out what length was this. I think it was a 20 or 22. I'll put it in the description bar below. But y'all, this hair is still so pretty. I did go back and pluck around my hairline. I probably shouldn't have did that, but it's still pretty, because you see how I probably plucked too much, but I wanted it to be more natural in the front. For some reason, when I dyed it, I felt like, I mean, not dyed it, but when I reapplied this wig, you know how you adjust the wig and you cut more lace off and stuff. So I kind of started cutting and stuff, and I placed the wig in a total different spot than I did last time. So I feel like I wanted to do a little plucking just to make my hairline look a little bit more natural after I did all that cutting. I didn't pluck that much on this side, as you can see, but I don't know. I got a little heavy-handed on the other side, but I feel like it still looks very natural. Y'all, this hair feels so good. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on how it look. Let me turn to the back. Show you what the back looks like. It's still wet. Like I said, I did put some oil and water on it. Like, well, actually, I used my Africa's Miracle natural products to put on this hair. When I did spray it, it wasn't water. It was like their leave-in conditioner or whatever. But, with some hair milk. But y'all, these curls are still popping, girl. I mean, and this hair can get really big. Y'all know when it dry, I'm gonna pull it out. So I might come back after I come back from Atlanta and just to show y'all how the hair held up. But as of right now, this is what it's looking like, and it is okay, y'all. I didn't even use a comb on this hair. I just wet it. And you gotta understand, when you have curly hair, it is maintenance. Like with my natural curly hair, I can't do certain stuff. I got to spray that hair down, drench my hair in water, and then, you know, but this, I didn't use no comb or nothing. I just sprayed it down with my water and leave-in conditioner from Africa's Miracle. And then I just went to running my hands through it, and it detangled, honey. I'm not gonna try to do no dry, you know, detangle on my hair, so why would I do it on this wig? But y'all, it came out so beautifully, and I can't wait till it dries so it can get really big. But right now I got defined curls. Honey, look at that. Ooh, honey. So all in all, this is like I'm trying to think when I got this wig. Maybe it was a month or two ago. But either way, this is my update. And I even put color on the hair for you guys so you can see what the hair did. But I just wanted to throw on me a wig for the... so I wouldn't be going to Atlanta looking crazy. So I ended up throwing on this wig, and I should have filmed me bleaching this hair. But when I tell you, I'm not a professional when it comes to bleaching. So I whipped that 30 developer and that bleach up, and honey, I threw it on this hair. I was gonna dye this whole wig, like bleach the whole wig and then put Cajun spice on it. But I decided to just stay kind of far from my roots, but just do the ends and stuff. And I feel like, y'all, because it's fall, I wanted like a brown tone, and you know, something that match my skin tone and not overpowering. But when this is dry, it is like a bright, like a lighter brown. You can see it when it's dry. But y'all, let me know what you feel about this hair. Let me know if you had this wig and how yours held up. But y'all, this is the update on this hair, and it is still beautiful as it was when I first tried it on. So I can give this wig a thumbs up. Virgo Hair, you did me good with this one, girl. You did me right. All right, y'all, I'm back. I told y'all I would come back after I've worn this hair the whole day. This hair lasted better than my makeup, honey, because I am greased up. The time is 9:11. Y'all know this morning at what, 8 o'clock I made the video. I drove all the way to Atlanta. I enjoyed me some juicy crab. I had some drinks, and this hair, honey, it held me down through all of that, y'all. I ended up not pulling this hair out. I just let it air dry because the curls were so beautiful that I just didn't want to pull it out. Y'all know I love big hair, but y'all, look at these curls. I just let the curls dry and clump up however they wanted to clump up, honey. And y'all, this hair is still so beautiful. I did start running my hands through it when I came in the house, so that might be why I got a little frizz up top. But y'all, these curls are still beautiful. This color, I thought that if I dyed this hair this color would dry the hair out. Baby, you could tell these curls are so juicy, honey. I started peeling up my wig, and I thought about it. I said, let me put that back down, because you know I got to do my video before I go to bed. But y'all, this wig, ooh, and the curls are so soft, y'all. I just treated this hair like it was my natural hair. I just moisturized it and let it air dry, as I said this morning. But y'all, this is the fully dry hair. I just let it dry how I wanted to dry, girl. I just laid it to the side and let it dry. I wanted to pull it out so bad, y'all, and make it so big. But when I saw my curls, and I was like, I really like, y'all, I haven't even pulled this hair like apart. I went out just like this because I felt like it just looks so natural, just clumped together how it would be with your real hair if it just air dried. Y'all, this hair don't owe me you hear me? Because baby, you see how greasy I am, honey. The hair just did her thing, honey. She just looked so natural and gave me what I was giving, girl. Say my name, say my name, honey. Destiny Child vibes today, honey. This brown, oh, this brown just did what it did, y'all. Oh my goodness. it just, oh girl, it just looked like a nice fall brown, girl. I mean, oh, like I said, I started peeling up my wig, but I had to push it back down, y'all, so I could make this video. So I hope that this gives y'all a little info on the hair. Let me know if you tried this hair or not, and if you enjoyed this hair, and if you liked it on me, and if you like, let me know if you like it black, how it was before a couple months ago. Dang, I feel like I was from New Orleans for a second. A couple months ago. I told Momo. Okay, come on out. Anyway, let me quit butchering the New Orleans accent. But anyway, y'all, comment, like, subscribe, and like I said, let me know what you feel about this hair and about this hair color. Should I take it a little lighter, or should I leave it this beautiful brown color that, oh, and it's so much lighter in the light, y'all, in the sunlight, girl. It was hitting me and giving me just chestnut vibes, girl. But anyway, girl, I like a cute walnut. Come on out. Y'all know it's finna be winter, baby, and I felt a little breeze. Baby, it's about to be my time to shine, girl. Chubby girl time to shine, baby, because them waist trainers gonna look so good up under them thick, damn sweater dresses. But anyway, let me get back on task. Anyway, y'all, this hair is from Virgo Hair, and y'all, I usually don't have no problems with Virgo Hair. They do me good every time. I mean, I ain't had no troubles, honey, because this wig and my bob wig, like these curls, I done had some wigs where I can't even review it because, baby, that hair was, no ma'am. It matted up on me and did me dirty and wrong, baby. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks, y'all, for stopping by my channel and showing me so much love. I love you guys so much.